Need to add a disclaimer into Zoho Projects? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Follow these steps and we'll get through it together. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Zoho Projects. What we want to do is go up to the top right hand side. You'll see the little gear icon, which will give you your setup and all of your settings. You can see there are tons of options here. What we're looking for is portal configuration. And here you want to click on disclaimer. Right. And quite simply, you can go ahead and type in your disclaimer. Okay. Now, there are a few things more that you can do here. And you can see on the right hand side, you can actually generate content. Okay, so if you click on generate content, you can actually write a description summary, you can create action items, you can prepare an action plan, you can prepare an event plan, or you can just rephrase what you're adding in over here. So go ahead and add in your disclaimer, and once you are done, you're going to go ahead and click on save. Now, of course, you can change the formatting, so you can make it bold, italics, underline it, strike through. You can change the font style, size, color, and the alignment, and so forth. There are tons of options, so go ahead and go and create your disclaimer in Zoho Projects.